In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Odoo. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to this robust platform, getting signed in is the crucial first step to unlocking all of Odoo's powerful features. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to your specific Odoo URL. If you're using Odoo Online or the Odoo.sh platform, you'll likely have a URL that looks something like this: https your company odoo.com web login. On the other hand, if you're running a self-hosted version, you'll typically be looking at a URL such as http your server host x9 web login. Make sure you have the correct URL handy, as this will bring you right to the login portal of your Odoo installation. Once you're on the login page, it's time to enter your login credentials. Here, you'll fill in your email address or username along with your password in the provided fields. These credentials should have been given to you by your system administrator or during the setup process, so make sure you have them ready. After entering your information, you simply click on the Login button to proceed. Now, if your organization has enabled two-factor authentication, which is a great way to add an extra layer of security, there'll be an additional step. You will be prompted to input a verification code. Typically, this code will be sent to your mobile device or email, so have that nearby. Enter the code in the designated field to complete the login process. For those of you working with multiple databases, Odoo might ask you to select one before you continue. This is quite common in larger organizations that use different databases for various purposes, such as separate instances for different departments or testing environments. Simply choose the correct database you intend to work with and then proceed with your login. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. This is your control center, where you can access the various modules installed in your Odoo environment. Depending on your access permissions and configurations, you might be directed to a specific module instead of the dashboard. Each user's experience can be tailored to their role, so don't be surprised if what you see slightly differs from others. And there you have it. You've now completed the login process for Odoo, and you're ready to start managing, enhancing productivity, and leveraging all that Odoo has to offer. Remember, understanding how to effectively log in is essential, as it truly is the gateway to everything else you'll be doing in Odoo. Keep your credentials secure and consider enabling two-factor authentication for peace of mind. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide